We were talking about adjectives and how the adjectives in Spanish change forms depending on if the noun is masculine or feminine, or if it is singular or plural, right? And then in the last video, we saw that each adjective has four different forms. So it could have singular masculine, singular feminine, plural masculine, and plural feminine. And many common adjectives end in O. So that's what you've seen so far. Okay, so let's uh, move along with this. Uh, the correct form of the adjective depends upon the noun it modifies. Uh, is the noun masculine or feminine, singular or plural, which is quite obvious from whatever we have seen so far. It changes, right? I mean, each form is different, right? If it's singular masculine, singular feminine, plural masculine, plural feminine, right? So for instance, you have libro rojo, it's red book; pluma roja, red pen; libros rojos, red books; plumas rojas, red pens. So pluma means pen, right? And so notice that the adjective here, which is the color, changes, right? You have rojo, roja, rojos, rojas, four different forms, right? And depending on the noun. So uh, and this is book, pen, okay, and because it's female, so it's pen, roja, uh, libros, plumas. So anyway, so notice how the endings on the nouns and the adjectives are similar. Okay, libro rojo, it's O ends with S. This was ends with S, AS, and AS. Adjectives that end in E also change form for singular or plural. To form the plural, simply add an S. So this is a rule, right? So if the adjectives end with an E, the plural form of it would be simply by adding an S. So this is singular, la chica inteligente. Uh, so the plural form of this is las, obviously, as we seen in section 4, and you can go. You, I mean, you can go back in the playlist, in the grammar playlist. You should find that, and how we gone through that. So, and this is las chicas inteligentes. Right, so let's leave it at this for now. We can um, so today what we learned is that adjectives that end in E also change form for singular or plural, and the plural is simply by adding an S, right? And just like what you've seen even in um, the ones which ended O or A, right? The plural form is achieved by adding an S. So in the next video, we'll continue further on this road. So until then, see you next time.